Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Great, and today I have for you my May Petit Vour unboxing. I actually just got back from the grocery store and I saw it in my mailbox and I wasn't expecting it until next week. But here it is, so I thought I would unbox it for you guys. I'm in a different location. I'm in my kitchen with a really strong overhead lighting because Maverick's in the living room watching a movie. So here we are. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. But first, I want to do a little review of the 4 things that we got in the April Petit Vour box. So the first thing that came in the April box was this Suntegrity Vanish Organic Cleansing Oil. It's supposed to be a makeup and sunscreen remover. We got a little 0.27 ounce bottle of this product and I got 4 uses out of this little guy and I absolutely loved it. It's super lightweight. It removed makeup really well. I did follow it with a gel cleanser, as I do when I use any oil cleanser. But yeah, I really love this. It smells like oranges too. Like an orange creamsicle or something like that. I don't know though that I could pay $30-some for a 1 ounce full size of this. It's more expensive than the Maelstrom Pendulum Potion, which is a little bit more than what I would like to spend on an oil cleanser. If it was like a really nice oil serum that I'm gonna leave on my face, then I would have no problem spending that kind of money on it. But for something that I'm gonna wash off of my face, mama cannot afford that. And then the second product that we got in the box is the New Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. I love the smell of this. That's probably my most favorite part about this is the scent. It smells just like pina colada. I used quite a bit of it. I only had to use about a pea-sized amount to do my whole entire lip. It's a really good sugar scrub. It's not too oily. There's just the right amount of grit. Although I don't think that it's a must-have. Like, I can exfoliate my lips just fine with a washcloth, but this is a nice little treat to have, I feel like. So love that. And then the next product is this Andalou Naturals Goji Peptide Perfecting Cream in one of these little pods. And I used this twice and then it started drying up in my cabinet, so I didn't get to use all of it. I felt like it was a fine face cream. It hydrated my skin really well, but then again, it's really humid here in Oklahoma already since it's starting to get warmer. So my skin is already oily, but this didn't make my skin feel greasy or anything. It just absorbed really well into my skin and it didn't leave like a greasy feeling on my skin like a lot of the thicker moisturizers sometimes do. And I really like Andalou Naturals as a brand. They're more on the affordable side and their product, really, I've enjoyed most of them. I did a video on the 1000 Roses line. I will link it down below if you are interested. And the only thing that I didn't really care for in that line was their toner, which dried out my skin a ton. If you find them on Vitacost, they're a lot of times on sale there, and you can get like coupon codes on Vitacost too. So if you want to check this out, check on Vitacost first. And then the last item that we got in the April box is the Juice Beauty Last Looks Cream Blush, and I got it in the shade 04 Flush. Came with a little mirror that I never used, but this is what the shade looks like, and it is what I'm wearing right now. Like I said, the lighting is kind of horrible in this room, but I've been using this as a blush and bronzer combo. When I use this, I don't reach for a bronzer because it already gives me that bronze look. I put it right here with a large stipple brush. I use the Real Techniques large stipple brush and I just stipple it on where I would normally put a bronzer, like around my temples and tops of my forehead and in the hollows of my cheeks. And then today I topped it with the Han Skincare Cosmetics blush in Coral Candy, and that's like the perfect glowy summery blush and bronzer combo, and the lasting power is excellent. So that's it for the April box. Let's go ahead and crack this open. I haven't opened it yet. So here it is, creme de la cruelty free. I haven't seen any kind of spoilers or anything. Oh, I lied, I did see one spoiler and that was it. I was like because I'm impatient when it comes to these things, and I kept looking for spoilers, but I only found that one spoiler and I was whatever, it's here now. But this is what the card looks like this month. So cute. It kind of has the same vibe as the last couple of ones that we received. And then on the inside, it tells you everything that's in the box. I haven't looked yet. Let's see. The first thing in the box is the Zabana Essentials Banana Colloidal Oatmeal Hydrating and Rejuvenating Face Mask and Scrub. And it's a little sample sachet. We've gotten a lot of products from Zabana Essentials, all of which I have loved. So I'm excited to try this. Let's see what it says. It is $12.50 for this little sample size. The full size is $25. It says, say goodbye to dry skin. Mild banana and oatmeal work as a powerhouse duo to hydrate, soothe, and repair. So this is a hydrating mask. I kind of want to save it for winter. When does this expire? Because like I said, now that it's warmer, my skin has been like super oily. So I don't really want to use this just yet. It has Razul clay, banana powder, colloidal oatmeal powder, arrowroot, rice powder, almond oil, apricot oil, vegetable glycerin, lavender, and horsetail plant extract. So excellent ingredients. I think I'm gonna save it for the winter though, or whenever my skin would feel dry. When would that be? Anytime soon? I don't think it will anytime soon. So, but I'll keep you posted to see if I go ahead and crack this open, if weirdly my skin starts to get dry for some reason. The next product I see is, oh, this is something new, I think. Lauren B Beauty Reparative Cuticle Oil. How cute is that with the little floral design on this? It looks like a little squeezy tube. Let's open it. So you just unscrew the top and it has the little dropper applicator. And this is a cuticle oil. We've gotten a nail polish from Lauren B Beauty and it's honestly one of the most long-lasting nail polish I have ever tried, green or otherwise. So I really like the brand. It smells really nice, kind of lavendery. It says that it is a full-size product and it is $20. It says get your hands ready for summer with this lightweight blend of 12 botanical oils designed to nourish your hands and nails from the inside out. And it's already absorbed. I put a drop and spread it all over all of my cuticles. It's already absorbed into my skin, so that is really cool. I like this better than the other cuticle oil that I have that we got from Petit Vour, because that one I use it at night because it doesn't absorb so quickly into my skin. But this, look at that. It's already absorbed into my skin, so I really love that. And then the next product that we have in the May Petit Vour box is by, geez, how do you say this? Air? E-I-R. NYC Jojoba and Aloe Sunset Oil. That's what the little guy looks like. And it says that this is $7. The full size is $35. It says an essential for beach bums. This after sun restorative body oil soothes sunburns and rehydrates parched skin damaged by sun, salt, and wind. That is awesome. It is an after sun body oil. It has olive oil, sweet almond oil, virgin coconut oil, jojoba, aloe vera, vitamin E oil, arnica, calendula, chamomile, essential oil blend, made with love in Brooklyn. Let's smell it. And this is a good size too to throw in your beach bag. It smells like lavender. And let's see if it sinks in as quickly as the cuticle oil. Yeah, I like that texture of that. I put it on my forearm and it's not like greasy, like you're afraid to put clothes on after you put it on, because some body oils are like that, you know, you're like walking around for a couple of minutes before you put clothes on because you're afraid your clothes are gonna absorb more of the oils than your skin actually would. Okay, and then the last product in here is the one that I saw the spoiler for. And this is the Au Naturel Cosmetics Color Theory Cream Corrector. This is the full size and it is valued at $24. It says the power of the color wheel is at your fingertips with this color correcting sticks that conceals any skin quirk. I got it in the shade Flax, and It has a little color thing there. I think this will be good to cover redness, maybe? I'm not sure. I'm not really into color correcting. I don't have any color corrector in my collection at the moment. I do remember trying a color corrector from MAC a long time ago, like when I was a junior in high school. And I had to return it because I think the lady talked me into buying it. She was like, it'll cover all of your redness. And this was after I was done taking my Accutane and my face was clear of acne, but I had a ton of post-acne marks. So I had a lot of redness, and she was like, use this. And I think it was either purple or green. And I ended up returning it because I didn't really feel that it worked. So this, what is the yellow supposed to be for? That's what it looks like, and this is a full-size product, like I said. That's what it looks like swatch.
Can you take these parts off?
I'm taking apart Legos, so excuse me for a minute. Here you go. So that's what it looks like swatched, and it is a nice yellow color. I think it would be good for brightening the under eye, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna play around with it and see, but that's kind of what it's looking like to me. So I'm excited to try this. I do have a couple of things from Au Natural. I have their highlight stick in like a gold color and their eyeliner. So this will be my third product from them, and I want to try their cream to powder foundation stick. I think I've been reading a lot of reviews about that product, and I think I really want to try it. So yeah, so excited about everything that I got. I think I love this box this month. I feel like I haven't really been totally disappointed by a Petit Vour box so far. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about these products and which you are most excited to try. I think I am excited about all of them. Which is really saying something. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye!